Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're playing the Bonnie Banks of Loch Lomond on a G harmonica. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please click like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. So today it's the Bonnie Banks of Loch Lomond, and this is part of my crowdfunding rewards. This is especially for Jim Church. I met Jim at the Edinburgh Harmonica Workshop, so I thought I'd do a Scottish themed tune for you today, Jim. Thank you for supporting my album crowdfunding, and I hope you enjoy today's lesson. So I've chosen to do today's lesson on a G harmonica because I know a lot of people know the Runrig version of this old tune. So that version requires a G harmonica. So I thought if you want to play along with that, you could do it on a G. And it just sounds quite nice in this sort of range, this register. There's loads of versions of this, great versions of this old song. One of the versions I've just discovered is a guy called Peter Hollins, who has a YouTube channel with loads of followers, and he's done a vocal version of it, doing all the different kind of harmony parts and all sorts. So do check that out as well, because that's really cool. But we're going to just play it on a G harmonica, and we've got a verse and a chorus to get through. So what I'll do is I'll play the verse for you first, and then we'll look at the tab, and then I'll play the chorus and we'll look at that. So let's start with the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our verse. So our first line is by yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes. So we've got... Okay, so we have 3 blow, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw, 4 draw, 4 blow, and then a 3 draw full step bend. Okay, now this is the only bend we're going to have to play in this tune. It's repeated a few times, that double step bend on the whole 3. That is the only bend on the harmonica that we're going to have to play in this song, but it is crucial for getting this full melody. So it's really good practice trying to put that bend in there. So if I split this line into 2, we've got by yon bonny banks. That's up to the 5 blow, and then, and by yon bonny braes. Because we're landing on that bend at the end, it might be nice to try and put some vibrato on that. By ya 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 ya. Bends are always difficult to make sound smooth, but you could put that vibrato on, and you could also cup that, just to make it kind of less brash and kind of in your face. Really good practice for getting those bends in tune. So second line, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond. We start again on the 3 blow, and then we've got that 3 draw full step bend. 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 blow. 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow. So if I just play where the sun shines bright, that's up to the last 4 blow, and then on Loch Lomond is from the 5 blow to the end, and then all together. So if I put those 2 lines together, I get... Again, that 6 draw, really good opportunity to be expressive and put some vibrato on. It's a really emotional song, this, and you want to try and reflect that emotion in your playing. Do check out my video on vibrato if you want to learn more about that. Okay, so 2 more lines in the verse. So we've got where me and my true love were ever want to go. So we've got... So the full line is 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, and finishing on that 3 draw full step bend again. So if we just do where me and my true love, that's up to the second 5 blow. Where me and my true love, and then wherever want to go. That's the 6 blow to the end. So we put those together. 3, 4. Okay, and then the final line of the verse. On the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Okay, so we've got 3 blow, 3 draw, full step bend, 4 blow, 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow, 4 draw, and 4 blow to finish. So on the bonny, bonny banks is up to the 6 draw. And then of Loch Lomond is the 6 blow up to the end of the line. So we put that together and we get 1, 2, 3. So if I do the second half of that verse, so from where me and my true love, it would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we put the whole verse together, have a go at playing along with me, and then we'll get onto the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, let's get on to the chorus. I will play it first for you and then we'll have a look at the tab. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our chorus. Lovely, lovely melody. The first line we've got, oh, you take the high road and I'll take the low road. So we've got 3 blow, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw full step bend, and then 3 blow. So if we go, oh, you'll take the high road, we have got just up to the second 5 blow. And then, and I'll take the low road is from the 4 blow up to the end. And then all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second line, we have an I'll be in Scotland afore ye. So the full line, we have 3 draw full step bend, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 blow, 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow. So, and I'll be in Scotland is up to the 5 blow. Da 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 ba ba. And then just afore you is just the 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow. Okay, so that full line, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we put those 2 lines together, we get something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So 2 more lines to go. So we've got, but me and my true love will never meet again. And that goes something like this. So we have 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, and 3 draw full step bend. So, but me and my true love is up to the second 5 blow there. And then we'll never meet again is the 6 blow up to the 3 draw semitone, full step bend. Same things applies where you're finishing with that 3 draw full step bend, as I said in the verse, that you might want to cup it, so kind of mute it almost with your hand. And perhaps put some vibrato on just to give that some expression. So that line in full, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then our final line. We've got on the bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Okay, so we have 3 blow, 3 draw full step bend, 4 blow, 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow, 4 draw, and then a 4 blow to finish. So on the bonny banks takes us up to the 6 draw. And then of Loch Lomond is just 6 blow, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. I hope that by lining up the tab as well as I could, that you'll get a sense of the phrasing and how each note falls over each line. So if I play that last line in full, we've got 1, 2, 3. And then if I give you those last 2 lines together, so from but me and my true love, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the end of the tune for today. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Please click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. I take lesson requests, so you can put comments beneath the video as well as your harmonica questions. You can email contact@LearnTheHarmonica.com, and you can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just search for LearnTheHarmonica.com on those social media platforms. We've got a great community of players from absolute beginner up to professional, so do come and join the conversation there as well. I'll be back very soon with another lesson. Until then, enjoy your practice and I'll see you very soon. Cheers.